Hello friends, how are you? Today our topic is cause of action, and now we will discuss cause of action and the importance of the cause of action. Introduction. In accordance with class, the suit can be filed in a court within the local limits of whole jurisdiction. The cause of action arises in whole apart. However, where the cause of action arises outside Pakistan, and the suit cannot be instituted in Pakistan. So the courts, Pakistani courts, and we will highlight this the person, and we will highlight this the institution. A suit against a non-residential foreigner can be filed where the cause of action arises. However, if the defendant resident in Pakistan, the suit can be filed in Pakistan even through the cause of action may have arise abroad. The expression the cause of action used in the rule of refer to the cause of action for the which arise board where the suit abroad. The term refer we will highlight this the important highlights to the facts which given occasion and to from the fundamental of the suits. So now we discuss the relevant provision, and we will highlight this the relevant provision. Order 1 Rules 1 and 3 of CPC 1908. Order 2 Rule 3 of CPC 1908. Definition of cause of action. According to the Privacy Council, and cause of action means every fact which will be necessary for the plaintiff to prove if traverse in order to support his right to judgment. It has no relation to the defense that may be set up, or does not it depend upon the character of the relief prayed. There is a distinction between the term cause of action, right of action, and the remedy. So we will highlight the cause of action and the remedy person. Different cause of action can be joined in one suit under Order 1 and Rule 3 and Rule 3 and Order 2, where two suits being in the same cause of action are filed on the same day. Rule 2 is not infringed. The test to be employed for purpose of determining whether the claim of release arises out the same cause of action is whether the same evidence will situation both in the suits, or whether the suits are substances identical. According to the IFCO, cause of action of the second suit in different Rule 2 will be inapplicable. In considering the application of this bar, regard must be had to allegation in the two suits and not the offense. Application exemplification in accordance with which an obligation and a collateral security constitute one cause of action. Successive claims arising out of the same obligation constitution one same of action. So now we fold the page and we will discuss more, and we will show you, for instance, when due for several and success period constitute one cause of action. Similarly, successive does not an account of the royalty, profit hiring, charges and annuities constitute one cause of action. And now we suit is claim. Such claims shall be included in the formal and the for cause of action. And now the whole of the amount where one transaction give arise to do different distinction, and one is the employment a suit for a recovery money. The suit can be recovering for the leg of the swing of crude circumstances for cause of action. So now we discuss the circumstances of the cause of action. Circumstances required to be a period in the time of necessary a part of the cause of action. Every allegation is not a part of the cause of action unless the plaintiff has to prove the same in order to object the judgment. The term cause of action refer to the ground on the basis of which plaintiff asks for a favorable judgment, and it is not related to the defense or the relief prayer. Now it is the bundle or totally of essential facts which is it's not necessary for the plaintiff to prove before the success. Everything which is not proved shall be given defendant, or a right remediant to judgment is a part of action. It is necessary for the relating and the excellency institution of the action, and not fact occurring upon the institution at the time of court. Even the take note of subsequent even under section 96 107 and Order 7 Rule 7 and Order 41 Rule 27. A cause of action presupposes the existence of right in the plaintiff at the time of its accrual as well as the time of the institution of the action. Thank you for watching.